Hello, welcome to another show of About Dogs, and today we are going to be talking about Australian cattle dog. Australian cattle dogs are super smart and energetic.
The Australian cattle dog is renowned for its herding abilities. Watch as it skillfully maneuvers this flock of sheep across the open pasture. Australian cattle dogs participate in search and rescue mission.
Australian cattle dogs are used as guide dog for the blind. Australian cattle dogs absolutely love agility training. Watch as he demonstrates the jump. Go on then. Yes, what a good boy. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to like and subscribe for more about dog facts.